Humans have looked up at the night sky and wondered, are we alone? Enter the void.
If you lived in the center of this region of space, you would think the Milky Way is the only galaxy in the universe. No Andromeda, no Hubble Deep Field, nothing. In 1981, astronomer Robert Kirshner saw something in his data he thought was impossible. A patch of the universe where there should have been 2,000 galaxies, and there were only 60. A statistical anomaly so extreme, it broke every expectation we had about how the cosmos is built. It wasn't an error, it was a door. And when we opened it, we discovered the universe has something like a wall. Imagine a void so vast it could swallow 1,000 Milky Ways whole. A place where, if our galaxy were at its center, humanity wouldn't have known other galaxies existed until the 1960s. Today, you and I are diving into the true nature of the Boötes Void and why this cosmic nothing might be the most important structure we've ever found. To understand this, you have to reset what big means in your mind. The Boötes Void is 330 million light-years across. To cross it at light speed, you'd need the time equivalent of 4 times the age of the dinosaurs on Earth, or around 10 times the age of our entire genus, Homo. Within this volume, there are fewer galaxies than almost anywhere else in the observable universe. But here's the paradox. This void isn't completely empty. The few galaxies that survive here are strange, small, isolated relics of an earlier cosmic era. They're like shipwrecks, floating alone in an endless black ocean. And here's the terrifying part. If a void this large can exist, what else is out there that we haven't even detected yet? What if this void isn't a cosmic accident, but a structure? Recent data from the James Webb Space Telescope and supercomputer simulations point to something revolutionary. The Boötes Void may act as a fundamental gravitational barrier. Think of the universe as a 3D sponge. The filaments are where galaxies live. The voids are the holes. But Boötes is so enormous, it looks less like a random hole, and more like an architectural boundary, a region that defines where matter can and cannot form. In this picture, voids aren't passive emptiness. They're active forces, sculpting the flow of galaxies like invisible levees in a cosmic river. Galaxies fall along the filaments, and away from regions like Boötes. So if this invisible barrier can sculpt where galaxies form, what happens if the effect isn't just gravity, but something even stranger? This is where things get truly unsettling. Dark energy is the mysterious something accelerating the expansion of the universe. We usually model it as smooth, uniform, the same everywhere. But what if the Boötes Void is where this force becomes extreme? A region where cosmic repulsion has been cleaning out matter for billions of years. Some theoretical physicists go further. Maybe this void is a pocket of space with different properties, a place where dark energy density is higher, or where it interacts with dark matter in a way we don't see anywhere else. If that's true, the Boötes Void isn't just an empty region. It's a natural laboratory for physics beyond the standard model. In other words, This nothing might hold the first clues that our entire model of the universe is wrong. So what is the Boötes Void, really? A gravitational barrier? A window into dark energy? Or something we don't even have the language for yet? Its real legacy is deeper than any single theory. It forces you to accept that the universe is not uniform, not predictable, not smooth. It's sculpted by colossal, invisible forces, creating structures on a scale that completely crushes human intuition. Where we see nothing, the cosmos has written one of its most important lessons: that the boundaries of reality are not where we think they are. And sometimes to understand everything, you have to study nothing. If this journey to the edge of nothing made you question reality, then an equally mind-bending trip awaits you. The universe is full of questions we're just beginning to ask. To follow the search for answers, from cosmic walls to potential alien oceans, subscribe and hit the bell. Every week, we unravel a new cosmic mystery that rewrites what we thought we knew. Next time, we return to our solar system to ask, are we truly alone? Discover it here. Thanks for watching.